Start by going to the Sketch tab when you're working on a report in Nexus. Before you start sketching, adjust the zoom levels to something that you're comfortable with. You can also click and drag the grid anytime to adjust the view. You'll see a point on the map that's been placed for you. This is the starting point for the first area you sketch. Decide which room, floor, or area of the property you want to sketch first. This is totally up to you. There are a couple of ways you can sketch. The first option is to simply use your mouse to select where you want to draw each wall. The second option is to use the number pad and arrows on the left of the screen. Enter in the wall length, then select the arrow that points in the direction you want the line to go. Click OK to secure it in place. If you ever make a mistake while sketching, there are undo and redo buttons available. When you're almost done sketching out a shape, you can use the Close Shape button or press A on your keyboard to quickly complete it and have the final line drawn for you. When you close the shape, pick a label to describe the area. You can add as many labels to your sketch as you would like. We explain adding default and custom labels in more detail in another video, so be sure to check it out. Select the shape so that it's highlighted in purple on the grid, and then click the Area Info button. You can adjust the primary area label, mark this area as a living area. Any marked living areas will be included in the total living area square footage calculation on the sketch page of the report. Choose to show the area label, square footage, the parameter label, and text label. Make sure all of the relevant boxes are checked off and click Apply Changes. You can edit these settings as many times as you need until you're satisfied. Easily duplicate shapes by selecting an area so it turns purple, and choosing the Duplicate Area button. To manage how gross living area is calculated and which areas of the property are included in that calculation, click the Total GLA icon from the menu towards the top of the sketch page. A window will appear that gives you the power to choose whether each area is included, subtracted, or excluded from the overall gross living area calculation. Continue sketching out areas and labeling them until you finish the entire property. Save your sketch to update the sketch page of your report. This is what the sketch page will look like. You can see all of your areas you've sketched out, along with the calculations for living area per individual area and the total living area.